Okay, here in this section, we want to look at the derivative of the natural exponential functions. Basically, that's anywhere where we have a base e. So the first thing we have to see that the derivative of e to the x is e to the x, okay? And the derivative of e to the u, and we know u is a differentiable function, is u prime times e to the u. And let's just look at how we want to apply these rules. So the first thing we have y is equal to e raised to the x squared plus 5x minus 3. So the derivative, we look at the function, which is x squared plus 5x minus 3. So the derivative of this is going to be 2x plus 5. Okay, and then we just keep it times e the x squared plus 5x minus 3. And we can see this is just an application of this rule here that's shown. Okay, let's look at this second problem. We have y is equal to e raised to the 4 plus 9x. This is another easy example. The derivative of 4 plus 9x is simply 9. So we have 9 times e to the 4 plus 9x. Right? Now, this third problem, we should be able to recognize that this is going to involve the product rule. Now, even though we're using the product rule, we still have to incorporate the derivatives of our natural exponential function. So let's look at it. If we remember, the product rule was what? The first term, which was x cubed, times the derivative of the second term, which is going to be 2e raised to the 2x, plus our second term, which is e raised to the 2x, times the derivative of our first term, which in this case is going to be 3x squared. Okay, our next line, we simply want to write this correctly and bring our coefficients out front. So this is going to be 2x cubed times e to the 2x. Let's put this here, 2x cubed times e to the 2x, and we're going to do the same thing on this other side. Just bring our coefficients out, which that's going to be 3x squared times e to the 2x. So that's 3x squared. Let's put it right here times e to the 2x. So we're basically, even though we're learning new things, now we're combining that with the old product rule, which we learned a long time ago. So these are just 3 examples of how to use derivatives and our derivative rules with the natural exponential function, which has a base of e.